dressed with ease. So much depends on what you love. So for me, I'm just going to give an example. For me, I love when I see other people a very simple look that is not super distracting. It's a concept of keeping your eyes soft, and where do your eyes land? Do your eyes have to go all over the place and make a decision? So for me, I love a look that's really soft on my eyes. So for me, when I get dressed, the decision of whether to wear a necklace or a bracelet or any accessory, I really think about the concept of keeping your eyes soft, because that's what appeals to me. Now, if that doesn't appeal to you, that's the key, is knowing what you love. That is the key. So because I personally love the concept of a simple look, keeping my eyes soft and having a really relaxed place for my eyes to land, because this shirt has a ruffle, I'm not going to wear a necklace. In fact, sometimes when I have my hair down, I view that as an accessory. Sometimes it's a bit much. Or if I decide on a red lip, that to me can be an accessory. So just making these decisions, really observing and noticing what you love out in the world, what you see other people doing, can inform you when you get dressed, and it can make the process super easy. So this morning for me, check the weather, and then I chose to wear this blouse, and because it has the ruffle, it's super easy. And I'm wearing it with a pair of wide leg pants, so it's very elegant, has a nice, very sophisticated look, and so I'm really happy with it. So I challenge you to decide what you love. And that really is the whole point of the wardrobe challenge. It really is a container to help you to powerfully decide, which helps you, informs you on how to get dressed every day, according to you, according to what you love. My name is Heidi. I'm a closet coach. That does not mean you have to dress like me. It means I'm here to support you in what you love. So head over to the wardrobe challenge. I challenge you to decide powerfully what you love. Have a great day.